Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a foundation chain and single crochet, the two most important basics in crochet. If you are a beginner, you are in the right place. Before we start, if you don't know how to make a slip knot, I have already uploaded a detailed video on that. Make sure to check it out first, then come back to this one. Once you have your slip knot ready on the hook, we can begin. Make sure the knot is not too tight and your hook should move easily inside the loop. Now let's make the chain stitches. Wrap the yarn over your hook. This is called yarn over. And pull it through the loop on your hook. That is our first chain. This V stitch we can see here is the first chain. Let's repeat. Yarn over and pull through. Keep practicing. Keep practicing it to create a chain. Also try to keep your stitches even, not too tight and not too loose. Now let's move on to the single crochet stitch. Here I did 10 chains and 1 turning chain. This is the second chain from the hook. So we'll insert our hook into the second chain from the hook. Pull up a loop, yarn over and pull up a loop like this. Now you have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. This is our first single crochet. Let's do it again. Into the next chain, insert the hook, pull up a loop like this. We have 2 loops on the hook, 1, 2. And now yarn over again and pull through both the loops. This is the second single crochet. Insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. This is the third single crochet. Continue this across your chain. Since I did 10 chains, I'll get 10 single crochet. Take your time. This step might feel a little tricky at first, but that's completely okay. If your stitches don't look perfect yet, don't worry at all. With a little practice, your tension and technique will improve naturally. Now you know how to make a chain and single crochet. Don't forget to check out my slipknot video if you haven't already, and subscribe for more simple and beginner friendly crochet tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye bye.